Hello you guys, I hope you're doing great. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the time it is while you're watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my last video. I just finished doing a Spanish version for today's video, and the subject I'm gonna talk about today is organizing my bras. I'm gonna show you and share with you the way I organize my bras, and I hope this is useful, and if not, just let me know in the comments. And on top of that, let me show you something. On the comments with my last Spanish video, the one where I show you how to organize like underwear, one of the comments I received was about the tongues. I never show you how I fold my tongues, so I'm gonna do that real quick. I have one of mine here. I hope you don't mind, and I hope you don't feel offended, but just want to show you. It's real easy. The concept is pretty much the same. You just fold it on half. Sorry, let me show you real quick. Yeah. You just fold it on half, okay? And then the sides, then the other side. Maybe a lot of people do it this way. And then I fold it on half again. And there you go. There's like the little rectangle. And then I just throw it in there. Just put it in there because it goes really thin, so it doesn't occupy too much space in your drawer, okay? So that's to fulfill the comment for my last video. Today, as I was telling you, is about my bras. So I don't have too much bras. I actually have a friend who I know she has a lot, but because I don't have too much, I have this box which I got from Ross to organize them. So let me go ahead and show you real quick how I do it and why I'm doing it like that, okay? So let me move these. And this video is not gonna be as long as the one before, hopefully. So we'll see. So here it is. Yes, it's from Ross. I can't even remember like what was the price, but believe me, it was cheap. So here it is. Here it is. I don't have my bras categorized, and only thing I know for sure I have is like my tops, the exercise kind of tops. I have them back here because I don't wear them too much, okay? That's the reason why. So near the front, I have what I wear the most, or the most recent I use. And here in the back, I have like the tops, not the actual bras, you know what I mean? Which are only 3, because, you know, I'm not into the exercise anymore. So, okay, so let me show you. I have them this way because it's really easy for me to look for anything specifically, you know? Like, okay, I'm wearing a Jello t-shirt or a Jello shirt or whatever. I just go and find a Jello and just grab it, pull it. It doesn't disorganize anything in here. Just stayed, and once I use it, I don't know you guys, but sometimes I have, I use my bras at least twice, at least. So I just use them, and then at the end of the day, I just throw them in the front. That would be like the last bra I use, and the stripes are gonna be going on the side, okay? So it's really, really, really easy for me to organize them. Same thing, I just grab it, use it during the day, and just put it in the front. And that way is, believe me, it's not gonna take more than 2 minutes to put the bra you just used right in the front. And I still have some space here, but I like to just like leave them really, how to say it, loose, to say it somehow. What else can I show you? I here also have, sorry, I have here also these tops. I don't know how they are called in English actually, but I have them just for those occasions when I'm not wearing an actual bra and I just need to cover, you know, my body parts. And here, this isn't organized as the rest because these are the stripes and I keep changing them. So because I use this very often, I don't have like, not the time, but you know, it's like it's a waste of time actually organize it when I'm just gonna go and grab and then pull back. So this, I have it on the corner of my box, and that's pretty much all I do to organize my bras. Before, I used to organize them because I had a little more and I needed like more space. I have them organized like this, you see? But the concept to put them together will be like pretty much the same. Just fold them, and let's say I grab the next one. I just fold the foam and put the straps and everything back and just put them like this, you see? And then in the box they will go like that, and they are gonna occupy less space. So that's the way I did before, okay? And that is pretty much all what I do to organize my bras. I hope you guys found this video useful. Again, if not, let me know. And I hope my English keeps improving. And just don't forget to always stay tuned, come back, watch my videos, share, subscribe. It's free. And I say it because I've been asked, is it free? Yes, it's free. And just turn your bell on and let me know in the comments what you think about. Let me know how can I improve my English. Let me know, you know, anything. And don't forget, if you live in the Corona area here in California, and you need to, you know, work in some area at your place or maybe at your office, I'll be the one you will be needed. And that's it. Just contact me and stay tuned. Bye.